Fun fact before we get into the crazy stuff, though.
Yes, please.
It is the ice cream capital of the world.
Iowa?
I didn't know that.
Well, Lamar's is where I grew up. So it's home to Wells Blue Bunny ice cream.
No way.
No.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Everyone loves Blue Bunny.
Fun fact before we get into the dark
Well, my
stuff.
hometown is home of Country Bob's barbecue sauce.
Hey.
So
Everyone likes
Peoria
barbecue.
is home of Caterpillar, who makes tractors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah, but everyone
That's a
knows
large
that
company.
company.
I mean, it is a big company, but actually, sad fun fact, they recently just moved to Chicago, so Peoria doesn't even have that going for them anymore. Their headquarters are in Chicago.
So
we
basically,
have
you lied to all of us.
nothing. I did. I'm so sorry, everyone. I'm a liar.
We still love you. Maybe not Peoria, but that's okay.
Yeah, you don't have to love Peoria. Just kidding.
Today we're talking about, we're doing another Hometown Hunts, one of our favorite
So
recurring series, and we're talking about Iowa. I didn't realize that you were from Iowa, and I also